Mr. Steve here, and I've got another collaborative program called Screen Ghost. This was designed by Sam and I, and we put this together so you guys could do Discord and Blender screen sharing. This will take the entire screen if you want, and then it will copy it directly to the clipboard so you can just Control V. So I'm just going to go ahead and install this. You'll see it'll warn you, oh hey, you haven't downloaded this before when you do download it, but then you'll just go ahead and click it's okay to keep, then go ahead and finish it and get ready to install it. It's going to install like a standard program would, and then you'll have this nice little pop-up right here. So now that this is up, you'll have the file drop down where you can do a select save folder, copy last recording, a few other things. You can exit. You can stop recording. You'll see a little Control-Alt-S for record, start stop shortcut, and then for pause, Control-Alt-P. And you can of course change the shortcuts here. So you'll have that. And then of course you can do video format. It could be MP4 or WebM, and then frame rate. You change the quality and a few other things, and it's going to be pretty cool. You can change the theme to light or dark. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a screen share. We'll just hit Control-Alt-S and make sure the microphone is turned on. When I do that, I'm going to share the system audio as well, and I want to share Blender out, and then I'll go ahead and do that. So now it's going to share this screen. I can move it around, I can scale, blah, 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 and we'll press Control-Alt-S. Boom. Now let's jump over into Discord. Now I'm in Discord. I actually already did one of these, and I didn't have the audio on, so Control-V, enter, let it fly, and we'll go ahead and watch this thing. Blender out, and then I'll go ahead and do that. So now it's going to share the screen. I can move it around. I can scale, blah, blah, blah. That's fun. And we'll press Control-Alt-S. Yep, there we go. So there you go, guys. This is just one of a number of programs that Sam and I are working on, and there's another one for quick tabs and tools in Chrome. Can't wait for that one. When I get time, I'll do a video on it. But of course, don't forget, there's also an update on here. Where did it go? So you can check for updates, and it says blah blah blah. I already did the update for this one, but when you download it, you'll probably need to do that. Anyways, this program's absolutely free. I'm dropping it on the Patreon. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like so you guys can get updates. Ring that bell so you guys can get informed when I drop something like this. Be one of the first people to get it. I'm Mr. Steve. Sam and I made this.